December. I'll try. I'm gonna try and do it before Christmas. I am working on doing a budget 5-inch quad build. Wow! So I have some of the components right now. I'm still waiting on the frame and other stuff, which is coming from Banggood. So the other stuff I bought from Freestyle Quads because I like to support my, local favorite, U.S. quad stuff company. But everything is going to be available from Banggood. I'll make sure, and when I do the build video, I'm going to put links in and all that good stuff. So for you overseas folks, you'll be able to get all the same stuff. And so that's just what I just want to let you know. That's in the works. I'm waiting on some stuff, but I think it's going to be pretty sweet. It's going to be around, it should be right about $150 for this quad. And it's good. So it's not like super ultra budget, but for what you get, I think it's going to be really great. Especially a super great beginner quad, and it should be good. But I'm not going to put out any videos or anything until I've tested it and make sure that it is up to snuff. In fact, you know what? Let me just show you some of the components right here, a little sneak peek. All right, because see, that's the other cool thing that we're going to be doing with this new segment thing, is that it's just going to be, you'll be able to get sneak peeks of stuff because, again, I don't know how to finish that sentence. So I'm going to be using the Mamba flight controller, and this is up to 40 amps. This is a full-size one, and I'll talk all about these components in the build video, but that's going to be the main thing. These things are like super cheap for what they are. They just came back in stock at places, or maybe they just came out. One of those, but I've been waiting for them, and if it is as good as it seems for the price that it is, it should be amazing. Foxier camera, got a Foxier Aero Mini, and then for the motors we got the DYS Samguk Woo 2400 kV. My apologies for mispronouncing that, I'm sure. So overall, I think it's going to be super sweet, but again, so just stay tuned for that. Like I said, I'm not going to release any of the details or whatever or build videos until I actually test it out for a little bit. So I move slow, I wanna stop time, I'll sit here till I find the problem. Depending on how soon I get the frame and stuff from Banggood, expect it sometime in December. I'll try. I'm gonna try and do it before Christmas, but no promises. Okay, see ya. Oh, hey, look at that. It wasn't plugged in all the way. How do you like that?